Want to know how to improvise your draft or your composed mail in Shortwave? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it easily in just under a minute. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, what you need to do is you need to just simply open up app.shortwave.com or the Shortwave app itself. We have also created some videos regarding software which is available on our channel, so make sure to watch it. So now you should be under this interface by default, and you can just simply compose an email. So again, just simply select this top right icon right here and enter any name or anything that you want to send your email to, and then write any subject. And now I'll just write a simple description for myself. If I want to improvise this mail that I'm sending, what I can do is I can just simply select this magic wand option right here. So this should open up a chat and it should suggest changes to improve my draft. So as you can see right here, it's reading your draft right here. So now my draft is being read in real time, and you can just simply append or replace draft. You can just simply select any one of these, and now as you can see right here, it should be magnified or modified. Now you can just simply select send, and it should be sent just like this. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.